But it's really funny that you've ended up bringing these two next to each other, because for what it lacks in build quality, when you switched between the FiFine and the SM7B, to my ear, and I'm assuming I'm as close to the signal as you could possibly get for someone who would be listening in, there wasn't an appreciable difference between the two. I think they've done a pretty good job to get a budget version of the SM7B and have a very similar, whatever, like you might be adding extra things to it from the Mackie side, but to me, I think if someone wanted to try an SM7B and got the FiFine mic you've got now, I think that would be an adequate test.
The only thing I have going on in the Mackie is on the FiFine. I've got the de-esser on, and I've got EQ. Just a little bit of subtle EQ.
Comparing the two now, I can tell that there's probably a little bit more high end in the FiFine. But
no, we're still on the 7B.
Oh, you're still at the 7? So here you go. You can't even tell I'm picking out problems with it, and it's not even shifted.
Okay, so
but even
the
build is kind of the same too. They've gone for a similar shape.
Yeah, they do. I've got, I guess, a very slight boost around 200 hertz. It's got to be about 1.5 dB. I've got a mid cut around 700, and that's the only EQ I have going on the FiFine. The SM7B, it's completely raw right now.
All right. So you had to add a bit of mud to it.
Well, I always always EQ the mic, and I mean, really, the EQ curve is what I use for the ethos. I just never changed it.
Oh, okay.
I know I have a lot of mud in the 700 range, so I always cut that out. I'm not sure why I ended up with the slight boost where I did. I don't remember doing that, but apparently I did. So here's, again, we're on the 7B. Now we're back on the FiFine. So I'm not sure how much of a difference you're hearing in my ears.
A little bit.
Yeah, I could hear it, I guess, being a little bit brighter than this one. Okay, Jen is asking...
She wants to dive in.
What's the settings on the 7B itself? Helps if I look at it right side up. I have the, whatever they call it, the high-end boost on, but the other one is off. Not sure if you can see that. Come on, focus. So that's the settings I've got. And the FiFine has it doesn't have any settings like that. The only things you have are the gain and headphone volume, I believe.
Yeah, that's what it looks like from here.
That's all that's on there.